Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru Impreza engine. First, ensure your car is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical issues. Next, drain all engine fluids, including engine oil and coolant, into suitable containers. Finally, remove the hood and any air intake components to give yourself ample working space around the engine. Now, let's disconnect the engine's accessories and hoses. If your Impreza has a turbocharger, remove the intercooler. Carefully detach the power steering pump and air conditioning compressor, setting them aside without disconnecting their lines. Proceed to disconnect all fuel lines, vacuum hoses, and the two heater core hoses. Finally, unplug every electrical connector and wiring harness from the engine, labeling them for easier reinstallation. Next, we'll tackle the exhaust, transmission, and engine mounts. Begin by removing the downpipe and exhaust manifold from the engine. Then, disconnect the starter motor and its associated wiring, typically a 12mm power source and a 14mm ground. Proceed to unbolt the several bell housing bolts that secure the engine to the transmission. Lastly, remove the two 14mm nuts from the engine mounts located on the crossmember. With everything disconnected, it's time for the final lift. Position an engine hoist over the engine bay and securely attach it to the engine using strong lifting points, often the air conditioning bracket and a turbo heat shield bracket. Slowly lift the engine, constantly checking that all connections are free. It's highly recommended to have a helper guide the engine as it separates from the transmission. Once clear, carefully remove the engine from the vehicle's engine bay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.